Right behind me is the future site of the Giant Peacock Hotel. This $2.5 billion luxury resort it's a massive undertaking, starting with design, foundations, and structure. Today marks a critical people are joking.
The complexity of this canopy structure is immense.
The physical model is placed in the wind tunnel. Smoke jets visualize the airflow, revealing vortex patterns around the tail edges.
Before construction on the Giant Peacock Hotel can begin, we have to extract these core samples to confirm the soil capacity for the foundation. Onto zeros. Based on the geotech boreholes, the team establishes the precise grid for the Giant Peacock Hotel.
The $2.5 billion Giant Peacock Hotel project officially begins. As we clear things, to construct the $2.5 billion Giant Peacock Hotel, stabilizing the excavation is key. This dewatering, the auger drills deep, lifting the spoil. Next, the crew moves quickly to lower the tremie pipe into the fresh borehole before the concrete pour. Inside the Giant Peacock Hotel Dubai, how the $2.5 billion luxury resort was built.
The pile integrity test confirms the structural integrity of the foundation. As the waveform stabilizes, the pile is confirmed sound. Verifying the integrity of these piles is crucial for the Giant Peacock Hotel. Once confirmed, we excavate. Securing the foundation for the Giant Peacock Hotel requires precision. Using rebar tying guns, we ensure with the formwork secured, the first pour of concrete fills the pile cap, laying the foundation for the Giant Peacock Hotel. Flame fuses the membrane directly to the substructure wall. This critical step protects the concrete poured earlier, ensuring the basement remains dry.
After waterproofing, we move to the reinforcement stage. Workers are placing the rebar mesh and ensuring these conduit sleeves are perfectly positioned before the concrete pour.
At the Giant Peacock Hotel site in Dubai, the basement foundation takes shape as concrete is poured, and the jump form system allows the core, housing the elevators and stairs, to rise rapidly as the crew secures the panels flown in by the crane.
This warning sign, PT zone injured, do not cut, is absolutely critical. Hitting one of these post-tension cables by mistake, pouring the concrete floor plate over the PT ducts we just installed. This specialized screed machine ensures a perfectly level finish.
The construction of the Giant Peacock Hotel utilized advanced manufacturing techniques, starting with raw steel plates that would form the iconic atrium arch.
As the segment settles onto the bearings, the team moves quickly. The drift pin aligns the holes, and the torque wrench. The construction of the Giant Peacock Hotel relies on precision engineering. These massive tail megatrusses are assembled.
Bring it down slow. Easy now.
Steady on the line, looking good.
Crane 1, hold it there.
The roofing crew applies the gray liquid waterproofing directly over the insulation layer. This seals the membrane.
On-site, the unitized panels are lifted by crane and carefully guided onto the anchors, beginning the facade installation for the Giant Peacock Hotel.
The unique iridescent peacock feathers of the facade begin as raw sheets, expertly cut by CNC routers.
Manufacturing these iridescent feather panels requires absolute precision before installation begins high above the Dubai skyline. From the massive exterior panels to the intricate interior details, artisans use tweezers to place
This is the Giant Peacock Hotel Dubai entrance, where these intricate mosaic sheets are pressed into fresh thinset. The luxury finishes are breathtaking, but the real story is the manufacturing precision behind the walls.
As the trays are bolted down, the team ensures a strict separation between the power and data cables, a critical safety standard for the hotel's infrastructure. The crew maneuvers the massive ventilation ducts into position, a critical step to ensure airflow is correctly directed throughout the structure.
Okay, lower it gently. Easy now. Hold it right there. I'm checking the level. Shim on the far right. Precision is key inside the Giant Peacock Hotel. The team installs these water lines, cutting, crimping, and securing.
Hotel site, we use the pipe wrench to secure these couplings, aligning precisely with the spacing marks on the ceiling plan schematic. The raw steel guide rails must be aligned with absolute precision using laser plumb lines before the technician tightens the critical fishplate joints. The elevator frame is carefully lowered into the shaft. Precision engineering ensures these guide shoes are perfectly lubricated for a smooth ride. After crimping the connection, the electrician clips the light into this channel. This hidden glow line is crucial for the facade's final look.
We anchor the metal tracks to the floor slab. Once the studs are set and screwed in, these frames quickly become the luxury guest rooms of the Giant Peacock Hotel. The key to soundproofing here at the Giant Peacock Hotel is the precise installation of these mineral wool bats, ensuring a gap-free fit around all conduits. We use the lift to raise the gypsum board tight against the studs, then drive the screws home. Notice how the seams are stacked. Here at the Giant Peacock Hotel, we apply the joint compound, press the tape firmly into the seam, and then feather the edges for a seamless finish. The ride street. The real artistry is in the installation. They use these mallets and straight edges to perfectly align the slabs, creating...
The specialized machinery grinds and polishes the raw marble. The slurry is immediately vacuumed, leaving busted. The precision work on the ceiling grid is crucial. These recessed slots, guided by laser, will house the lighting.
Here in the mill workshop, we utilize advanced CNC technology to shape these curved panels. The panels utilize a precision Z-clip system. Once secured flush, it creates this quick shaft angle at the seam. The precision of this modular system is critical. Almost there, push slightly left, steady. And these pre-plumb connections ensure rapid integration. Once the plumbing couplings are tightened and the electrical quick plug snaps into place, we perform a tissue test to ensure there is absolutely no seepage at the joint. With the cook line leveled and secured, featuring quick connect gas lines, we ensure maximum safety with this advanced fire suppression systems. From the factory floor to the outdoor deck, the precision is immense. Here, the crew meticulously ties the ridges.
This is the shotcrete process for the Giant Peacock Hotel Dubai's main pool. As the material builds thickness over...
Using a notch trowel ensures the perfect amount of adhesive. And as you can see, the precision on these curved walls is absolutely... As the topsoil is spread by the skid steer, the crew immediately rakes it to final grade. This precise slope ensures proper drainage for the gardens.
The irrigation system for the Giant Peacock Hotel utilizes robust PE pipes and compression fittings.
The crew here at the Giant Peacock Hotel lays the stone pavers on bedding sand. After compacting them, they sweep the joints. The arrival experience begins here, and installing the iconic Giant Peacock Hotel Dubai sign required material.
Here in the control room, we're bringing the nervous system online.
As the main entrance feed connects, the security of the
As you can see here on the BMS workstation, we can monitor critical systems across all key zones: the lobby, atrium, and guest room tower.
Requirements. The chilled water system for the guest room tower is online, but the pressure test validation is crucial. Test complete.
By adjusting the damper right here, we can see the reading immediately stabilize at the target flow rate, ensuring optimal comfort in the zone. The switchboards undergo rigorous testing, including thermal scans. The precision here, right down to these perfectly labeled functions. As we test the system, the alarm activation is immediate. The technician initiates the reset sequence. The final phase involves rigorous testing of the elevator's speed and leveling capabilities. The results can balance.
Building a $2.5 billion luxury resort means relentless quality control. As you can see, every minor snag is identified. And here you can see the final transformation. The specialized cleaning process brings the iridescent panels to life, ready for opening day. Inside the Giant Peacock Hotel, the luxury is in the details. As you can see on this checklist, every room is perfected before guest arrival. After years of construction, the Giant Peacock Hotel is open. Let's take a look at a vision from this. What makes this structure remarkable is the facade identity and strong systems integration, particularly the peacock eye detailing.